We've been to the ruins at Tulum before, which was fantastic. But we wanted to spend a little bit of time walking around downtown Tulum. So this is the Centro, which is filled with a number of shopping locations, small restaurants. There's a really good selection of vegan cafes and restaurants if you're into it. We really enjoyed the day. One of the things we did notice is the average cost for a restaurant is much higher than other cities or towns in Mexico. Tulum is definitely a hot spot, but if you're going to Tulum, remember you're going to pay a premium to eat or enjoy yourself in Tulum. But again, well worth it.